Welcome to Study Loop.
This is problem 103 of problem 7.4 of vector mechanics for engineers, statics, and dynamics. So in this problem, there is a cable going from A to C. There is a weight of at B of 140 pounds. There's also a weight at C of 180 pounds. The horizontal length from A to B is A, and the horizontal distance from A to C is B, which is given to be 21 feet. The vertical distance from A to B is 12 feet, and from B to C is 9 feet. Also at C, there is a force P in the positive x direction. So for part A, we're tasked with finding P, and for B, we are trying to solve for the length of A. So to start off this problem, we're going to draw a free body diagram from A to C. We're going to add in the reaction forces at A. We're going to put AY in the positive y direction and AX in the negative x direction. So the first thing we're going to do is the sum of moments around A and set that equal to 0. I'm going to do negative 140, which is the weight at B, times A, because that is the horizontal length between A and B, minus 180, which is the weight at C, times B, because that is the horizontal length between A and C, plus the force P, times 12 plus 9, because that is the vertical distance between A and C. I'm going to go ahead and simplify. So that's negative 140A plus 21P. We're going to move that force, or that weight at C, over to the other side and simplify, because B is 21. So it's 3,780. We're going to go ahead and solve for A. So A equals 21P minus 3,780 over 140. And simplifying even further, it's 0.15 P minus 27. Right, and we're going to need this equation later on. So next we're going to draw a free body diagram from just B and C. We're going to do sum of moments around B and set that equal to 0. So we're going to do P times 9, because there is 9 feet in the vertical direction between B and C, minus 180, the weight at C, times B minus A, because that is the horizontal distance between B and C. And we're going to simplify. So 9P plus 180, 21 subs in for B minus A. Now we can go ahead and plug in this equation for A in here so we can fully solve. So 9P equals 180 times 21 minus 0.15 P minus 27. I'm going to go ahead and solve completely for P, which equals 240 pounds. And this is the solution for part A of this problem. Now we can fully solve for A, because we know A is 0.15 P minus 27. So A will equal 9 feet. And this is the final solution for part B of this problem for 103.